Hi, boys and girls and moms and dads. Moms and dads, this is for you also. A lot of you have had questions on keeping up with your child's handwriting, and how I like to do it is trace. Well, write out with a highlighter. If you don't have a highlighter, you can use a gray crayon or a yellow crayon. You write out what you want your children to copy. And then they just trace. Can you see that there? I'll do it with, I highlighted what the assignment is, what I love about Earth. So if parents write it out, and then, boys and girls know, where do you start your letters? At the top. Where do you start your letters? At the top. If you want to start your letters, then you better remember to start them at the top. Okay, so this is a W. It might be hard to see. And W, H, A, T. Now, there's some children who are already writing uppercase and lowercase letters. If your child is writing uppercase and lowercase already, or they don't have, lowercase letters are harder to write. So if your child's struggling a little bit with that, which is totally normal as preschoolers, then you just want to let them write it in all uppercase, like this. What I love about Earth. Now, if your child's already writing lowercase letters without any trouble, you can write it with lowercase letters. What I love about Earth. You can have your child write that out, and then when they give you their answer, you can write it in the highlighter and the children can trace it. You want your children at this age, 4 and 5 years old, to use crayons. Crayons are really the best thing for children to feel the pressure. You have to push a little bit harder. If your child has small hands or has trouble with the grip, you want to just break the top off of a crayon, as it makes it easier for them it actually forces them to have an appropriate grip. So here's a crayon. Now, look, some children are already drawing masterpieces with markers and colored pencils, and if that's where your child is, that's great. If your child can form a grip like that, great. But if it's hard for them, just break off the little top, and they're forced to have an appropriate grip. So that's a little tip about handwriting from Handwriting Without Tears, or Learning Without Tears website. So the question for today's lesson was what I love about the Earth, and draw a picture about it. So I did that. Let's see if we can read this. It says, Miss Joan loves flowers on Earth, and I drew some flowers. So boys and girls can do that too. Bye.